Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Friday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're kind of basically where we were yesterday. Here again, having meetings with some of the movers and shakers in the commercial real estate field. Office, warehouse, retail, hotel, you name it, we've met with them. The hotel sector here in Budapest seems to be booming with 80 to 90% occupancy on average, and some days even 90 plus at some of the big hotels like the InterContinental or the Marriott, sometimes sold out. So very good business here. We're also going to be coming to the and sponsoring the HotCo conference here, which will take place at the end of the month here, and we'll send you some information on that. But very good, and I think it's also here at the Ritz-Carlton, or one of the main hotels. But very good opportunity to come and see what's happening on CEE. Hotel market, and also a little bit of the real estate, what's going on there. I know there'll be about 200 people attending, and about 30 to 40 interested in the real estate side. So we've been promoting that event the last couple of days, and excited about coming to that. We're just finishing up our 2-week stay here, which has been really nice, meeting a lot of the commercial real estate professionals, developers, bankers, investors. And I would say very positive atmosphere. And for this year and next year, looking really good, and really putting Hungary on the map, and probably be one of the most active places to be doing business for commercial real estate. So we hope you've all been doing well, and we wish you all a great weekend. We hope, we're here. We're super hot outside here in Hungary. So we're all weekend ready and excited to be in a little bit cooler clothing next couple of days and see some of the sights, and be back in Warsaw on Monday. So everyone enjoy the weekend. Have a good weekend yourselves. And we hope to see you Monday morning on the Coffee with Craig show. Right now, we're going to Winston with the highlights of the news from the Europa Property website. A lot of interesting things happening. I was just reading over it a few minutes ago. A lot going on, and so stay tuned for the news, and we'll start in 20 seconds, and we'll see you then. Enjoy the weekend. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com.
Good Friday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. And here are the news headlines for today. And today we'll start in Poland, where the CTP Group has announced that it's acquired a portfolio of development and land sites in Poland from the logistics and industrial developer 7R. The sites are located across the country and offer around 1.2 million square meters of GLA of development potential. And according to Bogi Grabrowicz, Deputy Country Head for CTP Poland, the land and project acquisitions from 7R demonstrate CTP's long-term commitment to the Polish market. And it's in line with their strategy. When the time is right, this transaction offers the potential to significantly increase the size of our operational footprint in Central Europe's largest economy. Staying in the investment market and in Poland, and moving to Krakow, where Paris-based asset manager Parif has acquired the Brovar Lubich office complex in Krakow from Balmoral Properties. This is the Brovar Lubich development is a three-building renovated historic project with a total of around 7,500 square meters of GLA. And the revitalised buildings were from the former Goetz Brewery, close to the main railway station and just outside the city's old town. The building was completed in 2016, and the tenants include UK internet service provider Central Nick and a Swedish games developer. HSBC Bank provided the financing for the acquisition. Staying in Poland, and MDC Squared, logistics developer, has announced it's appointed a general contractor, Rexbud, for the project MDC Squared Park Gliwice. Gliwice in the Upper Silesia region saw its fourth largest leasing activity amongst Poland's region in Q4 2021, according to JLL. And the vacancy levels went down to 4.99% in the same period. And according to Jeremy Corduroy, he's the COO and founder of MDC Squared, bearing in mind an increasing demand for a sustainable logistics space, we are very pleased to be working with Rexbud on the construction of our speculative development in Gliwice. Development will offer around 57,000 square metres of speculative industrial space to the market. Moving to the retail market, and Carzella Pawave retail centre has opened in Poland. This is a JV between the Belgian real estate fund manager Mictiska and the Polish developer Carzella Holdings. This project is located in eastern Poland, and it's following the conversion of a former Tesco hypermarket. It comprises around 14,000 square metres of GLA with 20 retail units, and the tenants include Netto, Action, Yes, Kick, Teddy, CCC and Media Expert. And according to Grzegorz Pelkaski, he's the board member at Carzella Holding, by spotting the opportunity to repurpose an existing hypermarket, we've been able to take advantage of the existing zoning and trading history of the site to create a new convenience retail centre for both the city and the surrounding area. And finally for today, moving to Romania, and Scalia plans to open more retail parks in Romania this year, and they will provide around 40,000 square metres. And in 2023, they're planning to open even more retail parks throughout the country. In total, over the next few years, they will have around 11 retail parks with a total leasable area of 90,000 square metres. And according to Adrian Elman, he's the development director of Scalia in Romania, he says retail parks implemented by us in Romania perfectly fill the market gap, the lack of modern commercial real estate in many medium and small cities. And according to Wojciech Jurga, he's the managing partner at Scalia, our goal is to create places that will be commercial destinations for local residents for a long time. And those are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. For more news, please log into the site throughout the day, and have a great weekend, and we will see you on Monday.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.